Hello everybody, welcome to your channel Learn with Smile by Disha. In the previous video, we had learned about division of fractions. Today's video we are going to learn about all the operations we had done, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We had all done these fractions operations. So today we are going to learn these all fractions combinedly, and that is simplification of fractions. That is how will we simplify a fraction. Well, simplification of whole numbers you all have done. That's why you will not find hard how to simplify a number. But when we are asked how to simplify a fraction, then we are sometimes like really puzzled. What will we do? What to do? So this is very easy. In today's video, we are going to learn about that. So first let us learn how to simplify fractions. For simplification of an expression, we must perform some operations, that is BODMAS rule, which we all have learned. But before that, first let us know what is simplification of an expression. You see, on performing various given operations in a given expression and getting its value is called the simplification of the given expression. Okay? Now, for the simplification of an expression, we must perform these operations strictly in the following order. Okay, we have been given 6 operations which we have to follow strictly in the order. That is known as BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS, you see, B, first letter B stands for bracket, second letter O stands for off, third D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. All the letters present in the word BODMAS mean one natural operation, that is bracket, of, division, addition, multiplication, subtraction. Okay, now you see bracket is there. So bracket is there, bracket is there, but in the bracket there are again 4 type of brackets. Okay, means we all learned that division, multiplication, addition, subtraction is there. But in bracket, we have 4 types of brackets that are mentioned. Okay. First bracket is bar. You see this line is known as bar. And you all have also known bar because we had learned it. Right. Then another one is parenthesis. We had learned all about the brackets, but I am revising with you again. So this parenthesis is this one. This one is what? This one is parenthesis. The next one we have is this. Okay, this is known as braces. Okay, this is known as braces. And next one is this. Okay, this is known as square brackets. That is, this is known as square brackets. So these are the 4 types of brackets which we are going to use. So first I am going to tell you something, that is, we have learned all about the expressions, that is bracket, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, right? But we have not learned what is off. Off we have not learned yet, and many of you also don't know off. So off is a new operation which I am going to just explain you simply, that is nothing hard. For example, let me give you a question. Here there is a question, that is 1 by 2 of 32. 1 by 2 of 32 is given there, and we need to find the answer. In this fraction, nothing we need to have to do, only we need to interchange the places. Places means don't think that we have to do reciprocal. No, nothing to do in reciprocal. Only what we have to do is we need to change the places. Here you see 32 is in the right side, right? 32 is in the right side. So here 32 is in the right side, we will make it in the left side. 32. And off always means into, multiplication only. But here we just, in multiplication what we do? We don't alter change the places. Here we have to alter change the places. Off means into. So that's why here 32 means we have to alter change the places in here. So what will we do? 32 is in the right, we will put it in the left. Off sign is there, means multiplication sign, and 1 by 2 is in the left, we will place it in the right. Just this much thing we have to do in multiplication, means off operation we have to do just this much, and then we will cut it 2 to that 2, if we cut it by 2, then we give is 1, and here we get is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. Simple. Again, let me show you another example. Here I will show you a fraction. Okay, here I will show you a fraction, that is 3 by 4 of 16 by 21. Here how will we find this? Same, only interchange the places. 16 by 21 is in the right, we will place it in the left, and then of sign means into sign, place the into sign, and then we will write 3 by 4. Okay, just this, only interchange it, and then we'll cut all these because these can be cut. 4 by 4 gives us 1, 16 by 4 gives us what? 4, 3, 1, 21 by 3 gives us 71. So here what we have been given? Here we have been given 4 and 7. So 4 into 1 by 7 into 1 is equal to 4 by 7. So therefore answer is this. So of also we have learned how will we find fractions if they are given in of, right? Now we are going to simplify some following fractions we are going. How to simplify a fraction if we need to learn. Then we have to solve some examples or questions. So we will learn about them in here. So we will simplify these given expressions using BODMAS rule. Okay, now let us start. First we will do all the things. BODMAS means first what we had learned. BODMAS means that word. BODMAS means what is it? BODMAS means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So we'll first solve strictly according to order. Bracket means B. Here you see that bracket is not here, so we don't have to follow that. Next is of, and of is there, so we will first solve the word of, right? Okay, so first let us solve it. Here we have been given 22 by 22, 22 by 3, so we'll write here 22 by 3 as it is. Here we'll put the divided sign. But here remember there is given 2 by 3 of 11 by 5. Let us do it right now. Okay, I will just solve here in the right side. 2 by 3 of 11 by 5 is given here. So here if we are given this fraction, we will just interchange the places. 2 by 3 of 11 by 5 gives us 11 by 5 into what? 11 by 5 into 2 by 3. Here we will just do this. Then we will multiply as nothing is cut in. Then 11 into 2 gives us 22. 5 into 3 gives us 15. So done. This one first we have done. Now 22 by 15 we get the answer. We will write it over here. 22 by 3 the division sign, then we will write here 22 by 15. Okay. Now let us again write as these fractions all were, means write it on the order as it will. Means 11 by 8 divided by 11 by 4 minus 3 by 2 as it was in the order we will write it. Okay. Next we have is division. Division sign we have. So let us do it. Division sign we had, right? So let us solve it. Here what we need to do, here we will do the same what we do in division rule. We have learned it about. So nothing to be worried about. 22 by 3, here division sign will change into multiplication sign and these fractions will also change. That is 22 by 15 will become 15 by 22. Okay. Then we will do this and then put all the signs and expressions as they were, right? And this divisions one is there. We will solve all the fractions which are in division expression. We will solve all of it here. Okay. Okay. Now 22 by 3 into 15 by 22 plus 11 by 8 into this division. So we will do what will we do? Here we will do this and then keep the sign as it is, minus 3 by 2. Okay. This much we have done. Now we are going to cut all the fractions and we will get the answer. Because now if we cut it, 22 by 22 that gives us 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Then 15 and 3, 3 by 3 gives us 1, 15 by 3 gives us what? 5. Okay. Now we have got is 5. Then next we have got is 11 by 8 into 4 by 11. We'll cut it 11, 11 that is 1. And 4 if we take, then this is 2 and 1. Right. Here this is given 5. Means here if we do 1 into 5, 1 into 5 by 1 into 1 gives us what? 5 or 5 by 1. But here as in the places in the answer where you see the denominators are 1, we don't have to write the denominators because means it is not usually written. We write only the upper part, that is the numerator. In these fractions where the denominator is 1, we don't have to write. It is generally not written. Only we have to write the whole number. So here also we are going to do the same. Here we will write 5 as it was and then we have to put the plus sign as it was. And then here we have answer is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 into what? 2 into 1, right? Means get is 1 into 2. So here we will also write 1 by 2 and then minus sign is the minus 3 by 2. We will do this. Next, what are we going to do? Here we will solve the fraction. 2 and 2 is given there. LCM also will be our 2, as 2 is given there. Then we'll write 2 because my plus and minus sign is given, so we'll solve the equation right now. Simplify it. Okay. Then here 2 if I do with 5, we know that if there is whole number means in the 1 there is denominator. 1 is there in the denominator. In these fractions where we see 5 is there, whole number is there, we don't have to write, but we know that 1 is there. So here 5 I have written, but I know 1 is there. So 2 by 1 gives us what? 2. And 2 into 5 gives us 10. So 10 I have wrote, then I will write here the plus sign. Then 2 by 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then minus sign. 2 by 2, 1. 1 into 3, 3. Done. Now I will write all the equation as it is. 2 will be in the denominator part, I will write there. Then I will solve the numerator's equation part, that is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Now we can see 8 by 2 we get is the answer, but we can cut 8 by 2, reduce it. So let us reduce it. If we cut by 2, then 2 by 2 gives us 1, 8 by 2 gives us 4. Hence we get the answer. Answer is equal to 4. So 22 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 of 11 by 5 plus 11 by 8 divided by 11 by 4 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4. Now let us solve the next equation. That is, in a mixed fraction it is given, that is 6 1 by 2 divided by 2 1 by 6 plus 4 1 by 3 minus 1 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2. Okay, here bracket is given and multiplication, division, all these signs are given, and mixed fraction is also given. So we need to solve like this. So in these cases what we will do, we are going to see. Okay, here bracket is given, so we are going to do this with bracket when. So what we will have to do in these cases, let us see. First, mixed fractions are given, so let us first convert them to improper fractions. 6 into 2 gives us 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. Divided by, again we'll put the square brackets. Then this also 13 by 2, 13 by 6. Then plus, then we have these curly brackets, or we can tell these brackets we have braces. Then 4 into 3, 12, 12. Then we have 13 by 3. 13 by 3 minus sign. Then we will again put the bracket. Then what we have to do, parenthesis bracket we have given. Now we will again solve this. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4 plus 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus, okay, 3 by 2. Then we are going to write all the other brackets. Okay, these brackets we have done. Now in these bracket simplification, we will put the brackets as it is. Means until the last we will do like that. How will we do? I will see in this. First let us solve the division part. Division part we will solve. Means if you are thinking that we will solve the division part as it is, no. Here what we have to do, there is a little twist in here. In the previous fraction, means in the previous example, there was no bracket. That's why we would do we were doing according to the BODMAS rule. But here brackets are there, so we will start with the brackets. Okay, brackets are there, so we are going to go according to the bracket. First, this one is given. First we always do the parenthesis, then comes the braces, and then comes the square brackets, right? So first comes parenthesis 1, so we will solve the parenthesis answer, then the braces, and then the square brackets. Okay, here also we are going to do the same. Okay, so let us write all the fractions as it is in these brackets. Okay, now we are going to solve these both fractions, that is 7 by 4 plus 3 by 2, right? So 7 by 4 plus 3 by 2 is given. What we will do first, let us take out the LCM of both these numbers. Okay, LCM we are taking out of 4 and 2. 4 and 2 first, let us take 2. 2 gives us 2 and 1. So therefore LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to, LCM is equal to 4, right? So let us write here 4, 4, 4, 1, 1 into 7, 7 plus and plus, 4 by 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. It will be 6. It is 6, right? Then we are going to put as the brackets they are. Next again we are going to write the brackets, that is 13 by 2 divided by 13 by 6 plus like this, then 13 by 3. Then we have got this. here what we are going to do is we will put here minus, and then we are going to solve this. 7 plus 6 gives us 11, 11 by 4. 7 plus 6 not gives us 11, sorry. 7 plus 6 gives us 13, 13 by 4. Right. 13 minus 3, 13 by 4. Then we will put all the brackets as they are. Here we have first simplified the bracket parenthesis. You are surely wondering why did I put the parenthesis bracket, but I didn't put it because I have already found the answer 13 by 4. So when I have found the answer of these brackets, okay, when I will find the answer of these brackets, when we will all, then what are we going to do? Then we will remove the brackets. First, I have simplified the bracket parenthesis. Firstly, I have simplified the bracket parenthesis. Now we will go to braces. Here 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 we know, or 12 is the LCM. So let us solve it. Okay. 13 by 2 divided by 13 by 6 plus like this. Okay. Then what are we going to do? Sorry. Here we don't have to give these braces, because braces, now we are going to simplify the fraction. So no need to give the braces. Okay. So 13 by 6 plus, here 3 and 4 we know it is 12. So let us write here 12. 12 by 3, 4. 4 into 13. What we get 4 into 13? 52. Here 3 into 13, 39. Then we'll put the last one. This bracket, square brackets we are going to put. Here again we are going to solve the equation, that is 13 by 2 divided by 13 by 6 plus, here plus we are going to do is equal to, what we will do, 52 minus 39 gives us what? 13 by 12, right? If we solve this equation, then we get is 13 by 12. That's why I didn't put, I have got the answer, that's why I didn't means give this braces one. Okay, here I have removed, in this step I have removed the braces, right? Next step we are going to, next step what are we going to do? Here I am going to do is 13 by 2 divided by, here we have given, then here we will put this bracket as it is. Then we are going to solve these both fractions, that is 6 and 2. If we divide 6 and 2, what will we get? We will get 12 as the answer. Okay. Here what are we going to get? If we simplify both these numbers 6 and 12, we are going to get 12 as the LCM or the answer. So I will write here 12. 12, if I do this 2 into 3, 2 into 3 gives 2 into 13, I mean 2 into 13 gives us 26 plus 13, right? And if I do like this, then it gives us 13 divided by 2 divided by 26 plus 13, 39, 39 by 12, right? Now I've got this. Now I'm going to divide these fractions. And how will we do this? 13 by 2 into 12 by 13. 39 I mean. 12 by 39, right? Let's cut this. 1 and 6. 3 and 1. Now we get is 1 into 6 by 1 into 3. Right? 1 into 6 into 1 into 3. Now here we get is 6 by 3 at the answer. But we can again simplify it. I mean reduce it to the simplest form. So let us reduce it. 1 and 2. So hence the answer we get is 2 if we reduce it. Right? So therefore 6 1 by 2 divided by 2 1 by 6 plus 4 1 by 3 minus 1 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2 gives us the answer as 2. So we have got to know how to do these, how to simplify fractions, and we have also learned how to find out the answer of the new operation of. So hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. If you are new, have not subscribed to our channel, then surely subscribe our channel. Then share this video with your friends, relatives, closer ones, family members. And if you want to see our new upcoming videos, then hit the bell icon button. And also if you have any doubt or query, then you can comment us in the comment section. So for today only this much. Thank you for watching.